A fool speaks because he has to say something. A wise man speaks because he has something to say. In a world that never stops screaming, silence is the ultimate weapon. Most people destroy their own power. They reveal their plans, they expose their weaknesses, and they seek validation through words. But the most dangerous person in the room is not the one shouting. It is the one listening. Today, we discuss the 4 laws of silence and how to use the void to control any situation. Law number 1, the law of mystery. Humans are terrified of the dark. Why? Because they cannot see what is inside it. The same applies to you. When you talk too much, you become predictable. You become common. If you tell everyone your plans, you give them the power to sabotage you. If you tell everyone your past, you give them ammunition to hurt you. Be a closed book. When people don't know who you are, they assume you are important. Mystery creates fear, and fear creates respect. Law number 2, the negotiation trap. There is a rule in sales and interrogation. He who speaks first loses. Silence is uncomfortable. When you stay silent, the other person feels an intense pressure to fill the void. They will start talking. They will reveal information they meant to keep hidden. They will bid against themselves. Do not break the silence. Let them drown in it. The longer you wait, the more they reveal. Law number 3. You cannot be attacked for what you did not say. Look at history. Powerful leaders rarely say much. Why? Because once a word leaves your mouth, you are a slave to it. You can apologize for an action, but you cannot retract a word. The less you say, the less risk of saying something stupid, offensive, or dangerous. Silence is your shield. Keep it raised. Law number 4, the appearance of intelligence. Have you ever noticed that the quietest person is often assumed to be the smartest? This is the illusion of competence. When you hold back your opinion, people assume you are analyzing the situation deeply, even if you aren't. Speak only when necessary. Make your words rare, like gold. If you only speak once, people will listen twice as hard. Open your eyes. Close your mouth. The world belongs to the silent. While everyone else is busy telling the world who they are, you will be busy conquering it. Master the silence. Subscribe to Dedge.